Hello friends, Jai Jagannath. Namaste. Welcome to our new video. Jai Sri Ram. Jai Jagannath. Welcome to our new update video. In this video, we will discuss today's latest news. Okay, so today's first news is that ICC Men's U19 World Cup 2026 schedule full match fixture list venue that time. Days after Dalit woman killed daughter adopted in Ifi, police now accused woman. Desa Patani is back from Udaipur after attending Nopur and steps in wedding. Delhi police nabbed Rohit Godara Goldie, bargain member wanted in 18 cases. Okay. Trippi looks effortlessly chic in black as she spotted after dinner. 5 player who can replace Washington Sundar in India's T20 World Cup squad. Rashmika Mandana giving us the sweetest reaction is the quickest thing. Okay. How Messi wine and Sprite drink reveal sent Coca-Cola stock after by 13 billion in 13 billion in 30 days, 3 days. Okay. Wet dreams of perverts. Russia reacts to British Defense Secretary's take Putin into custody for war crime. Delhi freezes amid IMDS today orange alert for cold wave. Ayan Nagar temps plunges to record 2.9 degrees Celsius. Bhagwat Man 6 audio and video recordings of trial of Bhagat Singh, Raiguru and Sukadev from Scotland. Okay. T20 World Cup 2026 for possible replacement for Atkinson Sundar in India. Dhurandhar box office collection day 38. Ranveer Singh film outperforms Prabhas the Raja Sahib means this. Sanjay Bangar brutally slammed over I believe in Rashtriya Bhasha Raw in India versus New Zealand first ODI. Netizens react. Okay. Top free online courses by IMS IITS 2026 AI machine learning blockchain cells and fear. Branders Hawa Hawa from Pakistani pop Iranian rocks origin. Okay. Raw over Mumbai identity defiant Annamalai. There's Thakker's calling them ignorant asset he will. Maharashtra Municipal Corporation Election 2026 Deputy CM Ajit Pawar promises free bus metro rides. Okay. Friends, now we will discuss some news about cricket. Okay. Discuss some news about cricket. ICC declares India unsafe for T20 World Cup 2026. Bangladesh sports advisor makes huge claim. WPL came on Municipal Corporation election day in Navi Mumbai, likely to happen behind Akash Chopra hits praise on KL Rahul after match winning knock in Kotambi. Okay. EX KKR PBKS star with 58 T20 wickets announced shock retirement from Indian cricket. Pardikkal's red hot streak continues as Karnataka qualify for VST semi-final. Saurashtra, who stayed in the contest till the very end, says Nandini Sharma after Delhi Capitals' narrow defense. Okay. Defeat. BBL 2025 and 26. Mohammad Rizwan retired out after sluggish knock against. Former Pakistan cricketer calls ICC unnecessary as it is dominated by Indians now. England all-rounder Will Sachs begins new chapter, announces engagement to Anna Bumwell. Virat Kohli plays ODI like it's Delhi local league can continue playing another 5 to 6 years for India. Cap's prediction. Why Ayush Baduni was picked as Washington Sundar's replacement for rest of India versus New Zealand. Okay. Former KKR star retired from Indian cricket to aim for overseas franchise league. Okay. ICC Women T20 World Cup ticket sales shatter record from 2017 ODI edition in England. T20 World Cup venue drama. BCCI respond to Bangladesh relocation reports. Okay. Players with most runs in international cricket. Friends, now some news about Odisha. Odisha. Odisha Assembly Speaker underscores teachers' ruling for a fostering mental wellness and inclusive society. OOPTCL raised 3,679 crore 3,679 crore capex plan under regulatory scrutiny. Odisha to hold annual exams for Class B and B3 from March under NEP norms. Odisha cracks down on road debris after fatal accident, orders agencies to keep road hazard free. Odisha CM launches drink from tap project in Sambalpur. High Court of Odisha. Odisha High Court upholds no confidence motion in Godari Panchayat Samiti despite MLA's assembly absence. Vishwa Udiya Parivar Louds move for local cuisine. Okay. Bhubaneswar police boast interstate cyber fraud gang. 12 arrested for cheating victims of raised 20 crore. Vikasita Gaon revised to create a durable assets. 3 burglars held in Sambalpur lot worth 35 lakh recovered. Odisha Revenue Inspector booked for rule in illegal sand mining in Jaleshwar. Daga AAIB teams Inspector Rahul Kala crash site 2 injured in flyers airlifted to Mumbai. Odisha to provide PMAY housing aid to 10 lakh beneficiaries by January end. Mahanadi talks phase strand at Chhattisgarh builds sand pond downstream of Kalma barrage. The technical hurdles hit creation of unfilled database of farmers in Sundargarh. ICU services at Balesar DHH suspended for 2 days amid infection concerns. Human death in Ganjam road mishap sparks tension as villagers stop fleeing bus. Odisha accelerated sustainable responsible mining, says Industry ACS Hemant Sharma. Odisha sees sharp rise in night temperature, cold wave subsides. Okay, friends, now we will discuss some much about football sports. The football sports we are very important for the lover of football sport. Okay, transfer news live. Arsenal GUHI pushed in Liverpool battle. New feature for Man United job. Pedri, Frankie run the show. Rafinha trialless work rate outshines Vinicius magic. Eddie Howe rose Carabao Cup role chance as Newcastle prepare for Antino Semenyo. Man UTD released statement after Bruno Fernandes social media hacked with anti-Ineos post. Cebu sees tight Serie A title race after Inter Napoli draw. The 8 players who can't afford Man United to waste another season. Okay. Actress Nicola Peltz deletes all Beckham family photos. Barcelona beats Real Madrid again to win Spanish Super Cup. Okay. So friends, now we'll discuss some trending news today. Startup news and updates daily roundup January 12, 2026. Okay. Jepto says delivery boy who died in accident Hyderabad not associated with the company. PM Modi raises baby area case with German Chancellor. Okay. 5 books to help you to reset your life after a difficult year. So friends, these were enough for today. Thanks for watching and thanks a lot for watching our video till last. Thank you for watching all of you and thank you for supporting us. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, Jai Jagannath. Thank you.